Good morning, Shwar. Happily welcome to Blue Star IS Entry School. This is online class for 12th standard subject commerce. Last class we have discussed about unit 3rd in the stock exchange. What are the benefits, capital market, money market, like that we have deeply discussed. Today we are going to discuss about some of the topic in unit 3 financial marketing 2. In that we are going to see about a stock exchange purely for stock exchange. In the stock exchanges, it is not new to you. இது புதுசல்ல, just you are already know about that. எங்க எப்ப பார்த்திருப்பீங்க அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போனா the stock exchange, இது உங்களுக்கு இந்த வேர்ட் வேணா புதுசா இருக்கலாம், ஆனா you might have know, எல்லாரும் கண்டிப்பா நியூஸ் பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. நியூஸ் பார்க்கும் பொழுது லாஸ்டா என்ன சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க, இன்னைக்கு பங்குச்சந்தை ஏற்றத்துடன் காணப்பட்டது, இன்று தங்கத்தோட விலை உயர்ந்தது குறைந்தது, இந்த மாதிரி சொல்றது எல்லாமே ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் தான். whether they are giving their sensational news, ஓகேங்களா, டெய்லிக்கும் they are updating. இது பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இந்தியன் எக்கனாமிக் இஸ் following. So stock exchange, today we are going to see about stock exchange. What is in this stock exchange? Before that stock exchange, already you might know that what is in this stock. Stock means the group of share is called as stock. What is in this share? Share is means the priority of the company or shareholder or owner of the company. They are called as shareholders. Who is the shareholders? Which means what is in the share? Which means it is a part of a capital which has been provided by a public or company, whatever may be. It is called share. அப்ப ஷேர்னா என்னன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா, ஷேரே நமக்கு நிறைய டைப்ஸ் இருக்கு. குமுலேட்டிவ் ப்ரிஃபரன்ஸ் ஷேர், ப்ரிஃபரன்ஸ் ஷேர், ஈக்விட்டி ஷேர்னு சொல்லி நிறைய டைப் இருக்கு. So shares are classified into various types. So in that way share can be easily demonstrated. So today we are going to see about stock exchange. In stock exchange, what are the things are happening in stock exchange? Stock exchange la enna பண்ணுவாங்க பார்த்தா, they are fixing their price of the each stock. Each stock means share. ஒருவரோட கம்பெனியோட ஷேரோட வேல்யூவை யார் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்றது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச். Based on the market and availability of resources, that is share market. Okay, these are the things you are going to be learn in this lesson. Origin of stock exchange, meaning and definition of stock exchange, functions and future of stock exchange, benefit of stock exchange in India, stock exchange traders, types of speculators, difference between stock exchange and commodity exchange, recent development in stock exchange. These are the topic we are going to be discussed in this lesson. First of all, we have to know introduction of stock exchange. What are the introduction? What is in the intro? Stock exchange is contributed in a huge measurement to growth, the expansion of national business, and to utilize ultimate benefit and well-being of national economy and its people. They provide an idea of concluding through which the enormous amount of a capital flow through a in-contact of networking of financial organization to all the corporate of enterprises in the country. Thus, stock exchange is ensuring the liquidity and transferability of financial assets that can be dealt with. These are the introduction. Stock exchange என்ன பார்த்தோம்னா, there is a n number of money, அதாவது excess of amount. நிறைய பேர் என்ன பண்றாங்க பார்த்தோம்னா, they are investment in stock exchange. அப்ப the national income of the people, it will be development of growth. Stock exchange எப்படி இதுக்கு stock exchange அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, stock exchange is the name which has been derived. அதாவது oldest stock exchange, அதோட பேர் என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா Amriston Stock Exchange. It is an oldest stock exchange in the world. உலகத்திலே Amriston Stock Exchange தான் oldest stock exchange. கூட முதல் stock exchange எதுன்னு கேட்டா Amriston Stock Exchange தான் முதல் stock exchange. It was established in the year of 1602 by Dutch East India Company and Dutch East India Company, called as VOC, that is Vatican Vendensty Ushers Company, is called VOC. It was laterally enriched. அதுக்கப்புறம் இதோட பேர் அந்த விஓசின்ற பேரை என்னவா மாத்தினாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா ஆம்ரிஸ்டன் ப்ரோஸ் அப்படின்னு மாத்தினாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் இன் இந்தியா வாஸ் என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா த நேட்டிவ் ஷேர் அண்ட் ஸ்டாக் புரோக்கிங் அசோசியேஷன். த நேட்டிவ் ஷேர் அண்ட் ஸ்டாக் புரோக்கிங் அசோசியேஷன் இஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் இன் இந்தியா. It was recognized by government of India. எப்ப recognition கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போனா 31st August 1957. 31st August 1957 அப்ப first recognition கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இந்த act passed by 1956. 1956 act regulate பண்ணி 1957ல என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, கவர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் இந்தியா ஆத்தரைஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. It became a Bombay Stock Exchange subsequently. இப்ப பாம்பே ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் இருக்குல்ல, பிஎஸ்இன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, பாம்பே ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச், that is called as first stock exchange. ஓகேங்களா, it is an origin of stock exchange. Then meaning of stock exchange. Stock exchange னா என்ன? Stock exchange is also called as stock market or share market, which means where the buying and selling will be take place based on the share or stock. கம்பெனி ஷேரையோ இல்லை கம்பெனி ஸ்டாக்கையோ வாங்குற விற்கிற இடம் தான் எதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச், பிளேஸ் வேர் த பையிங் அண்ட் செல்லிங் இஸ் டேக் பிளேஸ் இன் it is called share market. Is one of the important constitution of a capital market. Stock exchange is an organized market for purchasing and sale of a industrial and financial securities. Both industrial and financial securities. They are buying and selling of both industrial and financial securities. It can be converted a place where the trading is a security is conducted with a systematic manner as per the rules and regulations. Based on the rules and regulations is conducted by the stock exchange. It has separate act, amendment, rules and regulation, memorandum of association. It performs the various functions and offers the services of investors and borrowing countries and investors. It is an investment immediately and facilitate the economic and industrial development. It is used to develop the intermediary and facilitating the countries. And London Stock Exchange, LSE, is the most popular stock exchange in the world. Next, what and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, is the oldest stock exchange in India. Similarly, the stock exchange is exiting the operations in the part of the world. These are the various stock exchange is activated in the world. Tokyo Stock Exchange, Bangkok, Hong Kong, Singapore, Dubai, New York. Likewise, every country has their own stock exchange. Definition. According to the listing, stock exchange or security market of company of all the persons where the buyer and seller of his stocks and bonds or represent under transactions involved the sales of securities. According to husband, stock exchange are privately organized market which have been used to fertilize the trading in securities. Simply we can say that the securities, the buying and selling of securities, the place where it means it is called stock exchange. Functions of stock exchange. What are the functions of stock exchange? First one, ready and continue market. Ready and continue market, which means which can be easily converted into a share, or it can be easily sold in the market, or easily you can make it of it. That is ready and continue market. Stock exchange is in fact as a market for exiting of securities. It is an investor want to sell the securities. He can easily and quickly disposable of all the stock exchange. It means it's an easily ready and continuity market. Throughout the year, you can be purchase the share, or whenever you want, you can sell the share. Next, correct evaluation of securities. Correct evaluation means you can get the correct valuation of securities. Correct valuation, which means the security has the face value of rupees 10 rupees or 8 rupees, whatever it may be. They will be sold at the time of what the face value is actually occurred by the security. In that value only they are selling. They did not be hike the prices or lower the prices. It is an the correct value of security. You may it is an authorized person. It is an authorized one. You can get the correct market position. Next, protection of investor. The main aim is to protect the investor. அப்போ முதல் போடுறவங்க ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணணும். எந்த விதமான ஏமாற்றலையும் எந்த விதமான தவறான இன்ஃபர்மேஷனும் யார்கிட்ட சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இன்வெஸ்டர்கிட்ட சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. ஓகேங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட், the proper channel of capital. Proper channel of capitalization of capital, which means they give the proper channel one by one based on the rules and regulations, step by step. Likewise, they are given. By giving this like of proper channel of capitalization, it is easy to form a share of company. The people like to invest the share of such a company which is a good profit. Next, aid to capital formation. It is an easy way to forming the capital. When the company did not have the formation of capital, it is an easy way to form the capital. Capital is the most and most important one. Next, facilities of speculation. Speculation, which means speculator. It will be all the time the share will not go in a high price. It get the fluctuation, whether it may be go down or it may be go high or it may be never, it may be a penetrate, whatever it may be. And facilities of speculator. Speculator will show the price of the product. Next, reasons of securities. Reasoning of securities. Securities means a speculator which are underwriter the hold of a temporarily period. The security issues a new company. That means the seasons. That means the temporary period of securities issued to the new company. புது கம்பெனி வரும்போது அப்போதைக்கு தேவையானதுக்கு மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, issuing the certificate. Clearing house of business. Clearing house of business. The information is listed. The companies are required to fulfill all the information relating to the capital management, dividend distribution, etc., and forward the copies of financial statement, annual report, etc. These are the clearing houses. The clearing houses leads to giving the clearing houses will lead to use the capital contribution to the various sectors. Next, futures of what are the futures? What are the important features of stock exchange? The market for securities. Here they can buy the sell all types of securities, share, debentures, securities, government bonds, aided bonds, whatever it may be, they can be buy and sell. Next, dealing in second-hand securities. Second-hand securities, which means they are go for an market issues. It deals with the share, debentures, bonds, and securities already issued by the companies in short-term dealing, and second-hand securities in all such type. They are dealing in procedure manner based on the rules and regulations. Next, regulating the trade in securities. They are encouraging the trade in securities. They are regulating. They are giving them a proper information, proper guidance, and proper channels. Stock exchange does not buy or sell any securities on its own account. It merely provides their necessary infrastructures and trades the securities. The member of brokers who trade in securities. They are providing their own thing. Next, allows the dealing only in listed securities. Listed securities, which means listed company can only trade in a stock exchange. Listed company, which means the company which are registered in the stock exchange, they are called as listed company. Listed company, which means the company which are registered in the stock exchange, they are called as listed company. That particular company can only sell the shares, debentures, securities, bonds, whatever it may be. Next, transaction effected through the members. All the transactions are sent through the members. They are properly called for of application cost, final call, first call, second call. Likewise, they are properly used an intimation, and through the members they are called for. All the transactions in the securities at the stock exchange are effected through authenticated brokers or authorized brokers. With the authorized person only, they are providing the things. Next, association of person. A stock exchange is an association of person of body fully has been registered or unregistered. The stock exchange is an associated body which has been registered. So it has its own rules and regulations and own memorandum of association and not. Next, regulation from the central government. Regulation from central government, which means they are getting the regularity. That means they are getting the proper permission from the central government and they are organized the market. The reason stock exchange is an organized market, it is requires the recognition from central government. They are getting their recognition from central government. Next, working as per rule. As per the SEBI guidance, Stock Exchange Board of India, based on their guidance, they are working as per the rule. The rules and regulations have been framed by the SEBI and they are authorized by the central government. What are set by the central government, they are following. The citizen plays an important role. Next, special location. Special location, which means stock market should be located in metropolitan cities. Why? Because they are having it then educated persons and there is a n number of companies and there is a development. They get the knowledge about what is it, the share trading. So you have to give the stock exchange in specific area. We should not choose the remote or interior area for this purpose. Next, financial barometers. Financial barometers, which means it shows the Indian economic level based on the stock exchange and foreign currency investment. It shows the economic level in India. It shows the economic level of an India. It shows what are the securities having then increasing the face value, what are the securities goes down to what are the securities became a decline, how the governments are getting the income based on them they can get the information. Next, benefits and limitation of stock exchange. First of all, we are seeing benefits of stock exchange. What are the advantages of stock exchange? Economic development. First thing is it will develop our economy. It will develop our economy. It's providing employment opportunities. It's providing development of technology. It's providing infrastructure development. Likewise, it will provide the n number of things. Next, fundraising platform. It shows the fundraising platform. That means it can, with the help of SEBI stock exchange, we can easily create the capital fund or resources fund within a time. It is very useful to raise the fund. Next, tool to drive their resources. Which is means which effectively run the enterprises. That is, the resources are fully used by the person that has been used for it. Next, capital formulation. It is encourages to capital formation based on the stock exchange. The capital formation is easily done. But funds raised for a government. So government can easily raise a fund for any avoidable situation. They can be easily create the fund through stock exchange market. These are the benefit of stock exchange. Next, benefit to the companies. What are the companies? How they are getting their benefits? First one, enhance the goodwill or reputation. The reputation of the company or goodwill, நற்பெயர், அதாவது ஒரு கம்பெனியோட இமேஜ், ஒரு கம்பெனியோட பேர் புகழ் எல்லாமே எது மூலயமா வளருதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா based on the stock exchange. Why? Because by providing their shares, by putting their shares and revenues, the company may not noticed by everyone. So it became a popular company. Next, wide market. The market opportunity is wider than narrow market. It shows that all the such things to a person who is going to invest in share market. Next, increases the increases the bargaining strength, which means the stock exchange will show the share value at a high price. You might have get their loan provisions, and you might have easily get the borrowing credit facilities. Next, benefit to investor. What are the benefit of investor? First one, liquidity. Where then a companies get then a liquidations, you can get then a share amount get back. The stock exchange helps an investor to convert the share into equity cash, and thus the increasing the liquidity of his investors. They are increasing their investings. Next, additional collateral value of securities. Additional collateral relative, which means to get then a debit or loan from then a stock exchange, we need a collateral security. It may be a fixed asset, or it may be a land, building, plant, whatever it may be. By giving then collateral securities, you can get then a loan proficiency easily. Next, investors of protection. They protect then investors to holding their shares. The stock exchange is safeguarding the investors' interest and ensure their dealing by strictly enforcing its rules and regulations. They are following their rules and regulations. They are never given their vendor to their rules and regulations. That's why they are in developing stage. Assuming the real worth of securities. You are getting then a real worth of securities in your hand. By selling then securities, you can get the amount with their profit. So it has been real worth of securities. Next, machine to then trade securities. Stock exchange provides a machinery by machines. The purchase and sale of then listed securities take place in then a few minutes. These are the limitations. What are the limitation of stock exchange? The lack of unfortunate control of the stock exchange, the absence of restriction numbers, the failure of control of the unhealthy speculators allows then more changes in their places, no interested and managing, and non-proper regulation. These are the various limitations of stock exchange. There are the 24 stock exchange in our India and 21 then the regional national level, 3 in the 15 then regional stock exchange. And these are the world's top 10 stock exchange. First one, New York Stock Exchange, located in New York, and NASDAQ, National Association of Security Dealer Automated Quotation. It also in New York. London Stock Exchange in London. Euronext, located in Europe. Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and TMX Group, and Bombay Stock Exchange. We are in our India in 10th place. It is the topmost 10th stock exchange in the world. Next, types of speculators. Speculators can be classified into 4 types: bull, bear, lamb deck, and stag. Like that, we are going to be see one by one. Bull speculators. புல்லுனாலே நமக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும், பாயும், சிறுத்தை மாதிரி ஓடும், வேகமா ஓடும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம். அதாவது காலை தான் வந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், புல்லுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். So, like by the bull speculator, the price of the share also increases like a high point. So it is an bull speculators or tejiwalas. It is operating in price. When the stock exchange shows a bull symbol, the price of the shares are increasing rapidly. It also in future price. It is also a price in future. Next, beer. Beer means you may now know that beer na enna karade எப்படி போகும், பொறுமையா நடந்து பொறுமையா போகும். அதே மாதிரி தான் என்ன ஆகும் பார்த்தா ஷேரோட ப்ரைஸும் பொறுமையா இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். நம்ம நினைக்கிற மாதிரி எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி திடீர்னாலாம் அதிகமாகாது. இட் ஷோஸ் லோயர் ப்ரைஸ் இன் ஃபியூச்சர். அப்போ பொறுமையா தான் என்ன ஆகும்னா இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். தட் இஸ் பியர் ஸ்பெகுலேட்டர்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட், stag means caution speculators. Caution-na புதுசா ஒரு கம்பெனி வந்திருக்கு, they are giving them a premium of allotment. அப்போ they give them a caution அது ஒரு இண்டிகேஷன் கொடுக்குறாங்க, எதுக்கு பிரீமியம் அமௌண்ட் வந்துருக்கு, அலாட்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் அமௌண்ட் கொடுக்குறாங்கன்றதுதான் ஸ்டாக். நெக்ஸ்ட், லாம் டேக்ன்றது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து கால் உடஞ்ச வாத்து தான். ராம்டெக் இதோட ஸ்பெகுலேட்டர்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா வந்து ரொம்ப டிஸப்பாயின்மெண்ட் ஆகி மைனஸ்ல போகிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த ஷேரோட வேல்யூலாம் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ராம்டெக். ஓகேங்களா? தீஸ் ஆர் த ஸ்பெகுலேட்டர்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட், stock exchange versus commodity exchange. These are the stock exchange and commodity exchange. Meaning you may not know the stock exchange la enna பண்ணுவாங்க, ஷேர் டிபெஞ்சர்ஸ் வைப்பாங்க. commodity exchange gold, silver, diamond, platinum, rice, wheat, கோதுமை எல்லாத்தையும் விற்கிறது தான் commodity exchange. இதோட ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா வந்து ஈஸிலி மார்க்கெட்டபிள். அதோட ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா ப்ரைஸ் இன்சூரன்ஸ் லிக்விடிட்டி. அதாவது வந்து எப்போ ப்ரைஸ் வேணாலும் ஏறலாம், எப்போ வேணாலும் இறங்கலாம். It can be held by the paper, it can be held by the goods. அப்டேட்டிவ் வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா இங்கே கேபிட்டல் ரிசோர்சஸ், இங்கே வந்து ரிஸ்க் ரிடக்ஷன். இங்கே வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா வந்து இன்வெஸ்டர்ஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்பெகுலேட்டர்ஸ், இங்கே வந்து ப்ரொடியூசர், டீலர்ஸ், ட்ரேடர்ஸ், புரோக்கர்ஸ் அவங்க எல்லாமே இங்கே வந்துருப்பாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் பீரியட் வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா ஹியர் தேன் கேஷ் அண்ட் டெலிவரி அட் த டைம் ஆஃப் அக்கார்டிங் டு 24/7. ஈஸியாக சொல்ல போனால் 24/7 throughout the night they can be purchase and sale. இந்த இடத்துல வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா வந்து இன்ஸ்டன்ட் கேஷ் டெலிவரி ஆஃப் செட்டில்மெண்ட் த பீரியட் ஆஃப் 2 to 3 months. நம்ம பொருள் வாங்கி 2 மாதம் 3 மாதத்துக்கு காசு பண்ணுவாங்க இருக்கும். இங்கே ஆர்டிகல் ஆஃப் ட்ரேட் வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் இஸ் கவர்மெண்ட் செக்யூரிட்டிஸ். Here the item will be a durable item. The speculator is then easily broader and speculator is assuming then the price of risk. Here they have forward contract of fully standardization. Here they facilitating the future contract. Cornering of all the delivery of agreement of cornering easily. Here the selling the all opening of delivery of standard is deliverable easily. Here the price quotation. As regarding the following of only quotation is possible. Here the multiple quotation is possible. Recent development in stock exchange. These are the various stock exchange. National Stock Exchange in India, Stock Holding Corporation in India, National Clearance Depository System, Security Trading and Cooperative India, National Security Depository Limited, and National NSE is located set up on 1992, incorporated on November. It shows an debit settlement of capital segment. It has been operated in computer, fully technology oriented NSE. Next, Stock Exchange Holding and Corporation Limited. It is being set 1986. First actually operated in 1988. இதோட ஹெட் ஆஃபீஸ் வந்து பாம்பேல இருக்கு. இட் இஸ் நெட்வொர்க் ஆஃப் கொல்கத்தா, டெல்லி, சென்னை. நீங்க இதில் பேர்லாம் பார்க்கும்போதே தெரியும், எல்லாமே மெட்ரோபாலிட்டன் சிட்டி தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் NSDL. NSDL நம்மளது இந்த நேஷனல் கிளியரன்ஸ் அண்ட் டெபாசிட்டரி சிஸ்டம். தே ஆர் கிளியரிங் தேர் ரிஸ்க். இதில் வந்து அதிகமாக ரிஸ்க்லாம் எடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. தே ஆர் ஷோஸ் கிரெடிட் ரிஸ்க், பேட் டெலிவரிஸ் அண்ட் ஆல் த டெலிவரிஸ் ஐட்டம். நெக்ஸ்ட் STCI, Security Trading and Cooperation of India. Only the securities are trading here. 1994 ல வந்தது. 1996 ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது பப்ளிக் வெல்ஃபேர். 1994 இருந்து கார்பரேட் செக்மெண்ட்டாக இதை மாற்றிட்டாங்க. டோட்டல் கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் கேபிட்டல் வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா 500 கோடி. RBIயோட கான்ட்ரிபியூஷனே வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா 50.8%, 18%. டிசம்பர் 1997 it is the diversity in various part of India. NSDL, National Security Depository Limited. இது வந்து 1996 வச்சது. நவம்பர் 8, 1996 வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாங்க. இன்னுமே வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா NSDL, NSE இது எல்லாமே ட்ரேடிங் ஆஃப் ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் இந்தியாவில் தான் இருக்கு. அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் யுவர் அசைன்மெண்ட். மேக் நோட் ஆஃப் யுவர் அசைன்மெண்ட் அண்ட் send your assignment through school app, and your notes material is given in your school website. Thank you to all the best. Study well. Thank you.